No way!
This goes out to the CHRC, Calgary Heritage Roasting Co. boys. We nominated you for Helcim. They made a sweet photo of me and Gus in the warehouse. And I thought, you know what? You guys needed one too. So Calgary Heritage Roasting Co., they've just always been very supportive of us. They've been very supportive of the community. We love what they're doing. We share the same values. So big thank you, Helcim, for supporting locals, for supporting small business. And big thank you for this initiative.
So we have an in-house illustrator, and he designed this all up for you guys.
You're way more ripped in this.
I mean, you got some definition. Merry early Christmas from us and local laundry.
Bring it in for the real thing, man. That's awesome.
What a day. Oh, of course, thank you guys so much.
Big thank you to Connor and Local Laundry for nominating these guys. Big thank you to Calgary Heritage for showing us their space, making us feel welcome, giving us some great coffee, some beer for later. We love you, Calgary. This community's beautiful.